Hey, I'm Fish. I think I'm going to be wasting the first, 15 seconds of the video so I can get to the speed recording. Hey, that's the way the camera should work on the very first time. You think we should have speed recording for the very first shot? I think so. And that will definitely be the camera to get the DJI Osmo Action 4. Well, you heard the GoPro Hero 12 came out and it's offering, you got it, Bluetooth 5 point, whatever. And that allows you to put your AirPods in and you're able to just, no longer have your external wireless mics hooked up. You're going to go buy yourself a GoPro wireless mic. So, let me ask you, is it that important for you to have a GoPro Hero 12 and a GoPro wireless mic that's only good for GoPro? Now, I haven't updated from my Hero 10 to 11, but I did get 11 2 or 3 times. And I didn't keep it because I didn't want to pay $449 or even $400. But now today I could pay $349 or maybe $300 if I'm lucky for a Hero 11 that may not be troublesome. But I heard that the GoPro Hero 11 does have a battery drain drawer when using it from a fellow colleague. What does the GoPro Hero 12 really have so you can go get one? 4K, 360 degrees horizon. DJI doesn't have that. 5K, 60 frames per second. Oh, you know that's going to come with the overheating issue. DJI doesn't have that. Well, GoPro has a lens module. DJI doesn't have it. GoPro's profiles like light painting, night lapse. Does DJI have it? GoPro had auto low light. DJI has it! Since GoPro has HDR video now plus photo, DJI has auto HDR video. Well, you know that commercial, 7-Up. Never had it, never will. And DJI doesn't have it and will never have it. And that is the bugs and issues of a GoPro. Don't get me wrong, but understand where I'm coming from. I run a site, and that's why I would get a GoPro Hero 12 to share to the world and tell them all about the bugs and issues and help you out with your troubles for sure. I just want to be the first kid on my block, and there's no rush for that because I'm the only one that has a GoPro and I use it all the time besides my DJI Osmo Action 4. So I hope when you get your GoPro, your DJI, your Insta, your camera, that you'll be happy with what you got. I'm very pleased to say, and I am very thankful. And I want to thank you all for staying with me on this journey. I got other work to do. Oh yes indeed. And I catch you on many other videos to come. I'm Fish, and I see you on the next one. You this, that how I was stuck in there, and I got the wrong one, rubbing compound. Look at this stuff, man. I'm not even sure what this stuff is in here, but I wanted polishing compound. Now, maybe I can make this work. Now, rubbing compound, just don't use that much. Just use a little and just go gently on it. There you go.